In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the curve of your node wires in Blender. So this was actually a question that I got in the comments section of one of my videos, and so I thought this would be a great topic to make a quick video of. So to change the curve of your wires, just click right up here on Edit and then open up the Preferences. And then just click right over here on the Themes, and then you're going to go right down here to the Node Editor. Then you can scroll down, and right here there is this noodle curving. So it has values from 0 to 10, so you can just change this. I think 5 looks pretty nice. You could also change it to 10, but I think that's a little bit too high. I prefer 0 just because I don't like any of the curving. I like it to be straight. And then once you set this to the number that you like, if you want this to be the default of your future Blender projects, you can click on the Save Preferences button. So just click that and then it will save the preferences for your future Blender projects. And I think this breaks the record for the quickest Blender tutorial I've ever created. Also, let me know in the comments what your favorite number is for the noodle curving. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.